That funnel has produced, I think, alone, it's had to have been over 100 million. Have you ever done an Alex Becker? You've probably done iron.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever done anything else?
No.
So, okay. So what's funny about this is I didn't even have a SaaS. But when he launched it, it was 30K. I was like, and Hyros was like exploding. It was like, the big thing in the industry at the time. Like, I'm just fucking going. I don't care. I'm just going to say I'm going to start a SaaS. And so I did ROI actually just from the networking because I got a lot of clients for the salespeople. And, a lot of the SaaS stuff was just kind of like way over my head. But the cool part about that, number one,
you didn't have a SaaS.
Is it? Yeah. I mean, I just was like, oh, this is not really relevant to me right now. But I just sat there because the thing is, if you've never done like an in-person Becker event, and Spencer, who's my CMO, he's done multiple, so he said this is like always how it is it's not like you get there and there's coffee and tea and there's a breakfast and then there's like an intro, like applause. But he just like doesn't say anything, gets up there. And then he opens up his laptop and just runs through a Google Doc for 8 hours straight, just fire hosing information. He almost like, he was like, hey guys, all right, we're just gonna go through this. And we were all sitting in Airbnb. We're just like, fuck, just like fire hosing information. No breaks, no nothing. It just was, that's all it was.
Shout out
and
to
apparently
Beckers.
that's just like how he does it. So I actually, I enjoyed it. I mean, I just want the information, so I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But here's the deal. So at the very end, he was doing how to do marketing for SaaS. And he was breaking down what I call now today, like the direct VSL funnel. And he was breaking down essentially like his funnel that was like this, what was it? Like this hard drive or whatever will decrease your cost per book call and increase your ROAS and do X, Y, and Z, or you don't pay for it. And then he would hammer you with the social. So it was offer guarantee, hammer with the social proof. And then it was a CTA. And then it was like, so if that's all you need to hear, go ahead and book. But if you want to know more about why this works so well, keep watching and I'll tell you why. And then he would go into essentially like a demo of the product, so to speak, of like kind of a little bit more detail of why it worked to essentially sell more higher information buyers. And I saw that, and he had actually said that, he evolved that from Hormozy's gym launch funnel. That's what he said. And so
that makes
they
sense.
were really the only two kind of doing it at the time. Joel Irway also with his power offer thing, he was doing it, and his system was really good as well.
Yeah.
And I thought about it, and I'm thinking about like Joel's stuff, and I was thinking about what he did, and I'm like, I have like a done for you recruiting offer. Like this has gotta work for my business. Because at that time, I was just doing like $500,000 a month off referrals and organic, right? So I went back and wrote that funnel, and that funnel has produced, I think alone, it's had to have been over 100 million. Because that's been the main funnel for my B2B side of the company for years. It's had to have done at least over 100. It might be like 120. I don't know. It still runs. If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.